It's Joanne. I wanted to demonstrate my Sumnacon square tissue box holder that I have placed on my makeup desk. I think it's beautiful, and it has the sparkle clear crystals within the stainless steel intricately designed metal. I think it adds a nice decorating touch to my desk with some bling and class without being chintzy. It has a removable tray where inside is where you place your tissue box, the cubed tissue box, and then you can just lay your tray back on. I put a candle on mine. You can put lipsticks or other items that you want accessible, and it has a mirror inside the tray. This would be a perfect gift for family or friends. It's ideal for many places in the house, maybe your nightstand or your bathroom vanity, maybe even having your office. It adds a special touch of class and elegance in a decorating style. And for me, I love the look. I think it's beautiful for my tissue box holder. I don't think you can go wrong with this as a special gift for someone or a special treat for yourself. Enjoy.